Neringa is a tranquil fishing village and the beach settlement on the beautiful Curonian Spit on the Lithuanian coast. This peacefully breezy and south-soothing resort is a popular destination amongst the local nature lovers and international visitors alike looking for some downtime. Due to its historic ties with Germany, Nida is an attractive place for German visitors. The spectacular strip of land, also known as Neringa, is a national treasure with drifting white sand dunes, deep blue waters, evergreen forest, and distinctive architecture. Nida is one of a kind tranquil oasis surrounded by nature. It's a place for those who love to stay outdoors, go on hikes, bike, kayak or sail away to the open waters of the Baltic Sea. The idyllic surroundings and nearly extinct architectural heritage makes Nida a memorable place to visit. The wooden houses are still inhabited by the locals, also may offer accommodation facilities to the many visitors. To reach the tallest moving sand dune in Europe, head south of the town and climb the 180 steps to reach the top, but don't stray away from the footpath. The dunes are constantly affected by the wind, and the preservation of this delicate landscape is absolutely crucial. The viewing platforms opens up into the never-ending natural reserve of the Dead Dunes. Feast your eyes on the lagoon from one side and the Baltic Coast on the other, separated by the beautiful pine tree forest. Even if you are not a romantic, I highly recommend coming here for both the sunrise and the sunset. One of the most beautiful and oldest parabolic dunes in Jotkrantė is the Hill of Witches. The slopes of the hills are overgrown with centuries-old pine trees. The meander leads through the shady woods to a 42 meters high top. From there opens a view of beaming sea through the pine trunks and first the lagoon shines. Formerly the southern and eastern slopes of the dunes were woodless, and from top of the hill opened ripping scenery of sands and water. In this place, in the beginning of 19th-20th century, the Lithuanians used to celebrate Rasas, or St. John's Day. Sailing boats and even few steamships along the Curonian lagoon were coming from Tilsi, Rasni and Klaipėda, with choir members, musicians, and all were celebrating the shortest night of a year up to the sunrise and looking for the fern blossom. Hill of Witches was not only beloved by the people. It is said that their witches and demons were cheering since time immemorial. Even the witch goddess Rage took part in the annual jamboree of short nights. It is a special place, the periphery of mystical and real world, where imagination comes alive and creativity rises up. The Hill of Witches is a unique museum of wooden sculptures where devils, witches and other characters of folklore reign supreme, revealing to visitors the natural and mystical spirit of the place. Assembled from all over Lithuania in 1979, the authors of sculptures of the Hill of Witches, wood carvers and blacksmiths were inspired by the beauty of the landscape and mystical atmosphere of the parabolic dune slopes overgrown with centenary pine and fir trees that gave an impetus to embody the characters of fairy tales and legends in wood. The whole ensemble consists of more than 80 oak sculptures as a gift to Lithuania and visitors.